Welcome to Table for One, where I show you how to make an amazing meal for one person. Tonight we're going to be making cioppino, which is a tomato-based seafood stew. You'll be adding several aromatic ingredients, including sliced fennel, leeks, fresno chili, garlic, thyme, bay leaf, dried oregano, and chili flakes. You'll also be using pancetta or alternatively bacon cut into small batons. From there you'll need white wine or sake, pasta sauce, and water. Traditionally, shellfish like crab and clams are used, but for my recipe we're using salmon, mussels, shrimp, and bay scallops. And for garnish, you'll only need olive oil, lemon juice, parsley leaves, and fennel fronds. Start by rendering out the pancetta on medium heat until brown but not crispy. Then, you'll sweat in the fennel, leeks, and fresnos just for a few moments to soften them up. Now for the rest of our aromatic ensemble: garlic, oregano, chili flakes, thyme, and bay leaf. Stir them all together to sweat for a bit, then deglaze with white wine. Once it's almost completely reduced, pour in the pasta sauce and continue to simmer with the aromatics. After a few minutes, pour in a cup of water and continue this process. Now we'll remove our thyme and bay leaf before we start adding our seafood. This process is actually going to determine how our final dish will look, so now is your time to get creative. Once all of the seafood is in the broth, cover and steam at medium heat for 4 minutes. Check to make sure the mussels have opened, and if they have, taste the broth and make any adjustments. Season to taste with fresh cracked pepper, lemon juice, and olive oil. Like I said before, this dish is already plated and all we have to do is transfer it carefully into a flat bowl. Now garnish with parsley and fennel fronds and enjoy with grilled or toasted bread. Thank you for joining me on Table for One. I'll see you next week.